So how do you get this crosshair? I have been getting this question a lot. So the lunar settings, the lunar crosshair here, I don't think there is a arrow crosshair unless they've changed it. No, they haven't. So yeah, you don't have the arrow, the one for god bridging right here. So I'm going to teach you today how to make this. Okay, so first of all, you want to go into run. You will see you'll have this. If you go into that and type this app data percentage mark and open that, you'll go into this tab here and the roaming tabs as well. You want to go into .minecraft. You want to go into versions, which is here, and just any 1.8 version will work. So then you have this 1.8.9.jar. You want to right click this, open with just don't open with the Java TM platform SE binary. That will launch your game, I think. So what you want to do is get like an app like winzip here that basically opens the jar file. And in this jar file, as you can see, we have the default game files. You don't want to touch any of this, otherwise your game might break. But if you go into assets, Minecraft, textures, GUI, and here we have icons. Okay, now that we've opened this is the default Minecraft thingamajig. So you want to just save as, I guess. Let's just put it on the desktop for now. Now go back into .minecraft and go into resource packs, make a new folder. Let's call it arrow crosshair, and then you want to make a folder called assets, Minecraft, textures. I think it's called, then it's GUI, and then you can put your icon.jpg here. Icon.jpg is here, Control X, put it in here. Apologies, this is actually textures here. Open this, yeah, and now you have this. You have the default textures for the crosshair, health, Wi-Fi, XP, etc, etc. And now you want to open up your picture editing software and drag it in. So this will seem quite, you can't really see anything, so I'm just going to create a layer, like a background layer, fill, and now we can see everything. So this is the default crosshair. It's towards the top left, and what you want to do is you want to keep the top bit, you want to select your brush tool, make it white, and draw an arrow here. And then E to erase everything else. And now save this picture as, get rid of this one, the background of course, save, and now if we go back into Minecraft, we need to make, in Crosshair here, we need to have some MC pack.data thingy, so I'm just going to paste some random stuff in here. Let me just quickly change this, add some data into this one, done, go back, and now we should see somewhere the pack. Here, arrow crosshair. Put this at the very top, press done, wait for it to load, and now as you can see, we have the crosshair. And in case you think this does not work, let me just unload every other default pack, apart from the default pack here. Here is the default, and with this crosshair right here. If you want to make it longer, I mean you can, just add more thingies to it. You save this, reload the texture pack, and here you go, a longer crosshair that you can god bridge with. Now you don't need to ask me about this texture pack now. You can do this on Bad Lion, I think, just like without having to change the texture pack, but like this is basically how you get this arrow on anything else. If you want to modify an already existing pack, so for example, I like the pack Dryad right here, but the pack has a different one. Go into textures, GUI, and icons here. Be careful before you change it, because this one right here may not be the same size as default texture pack. For example, the size of this image here is 256 by 256. However, if we go into, say, Bedless Noob 60k, you will see that the pack size is different. So basically, if you want to edit it, you have to be careful, since this is much more high quality. This is 4 times bigger. So this one seems less chunky, if that makes sense. This seems kind of chunky. But yeah, that's basically it. If you want to edit, find that directory, and yeah, that's the end of this video, I guess. So as always, like, sub, dislike, comment, whatever. Join my Discord server. I will see you later. Goodbye.